Good afternoon to all of you. I welcome you all to this unique event where I would introduce you to eTrio, the company I represent, and our retrofitted eLCV, the product which we have launched for electrification of intracity logistics. Change is inevitable. Like the seasons of life, the business environment is constantly going through change. We've all seen change happening from coal-fueled railway engines to electric engines, from concrete buildings to steel buildings, from fuel-guzzling cars to fuel-efficient cars, landlines to mobiles, and from cash to digital money. And we have adapted to these changes every day. We, as a society, are constantly adopting innovations and improving our lives. You will soon witness one innovation today that will change the way intracity logistics is currently managed. The Indian EV industry is in its nascent stages. While there is a vision for 100% electric vehicles by 2030, industry experts indicate that around 30% EV conversion by 2030 is a realistic expectation. While we have seen a major push towards EV has been led by the public transportation requirements in India, driven by the two-wheelers, three-wheelers, fleet cars, e-buses, post-COVID, intracity logistics is touted to become the forerunner of EV adoption. Electrification of intracity logistics is fueled due to a culmination of multiple factors coming together. Let me take one by one each factor. 1 is the exponential increase in online spending. 2, the growing environmental consciousness of the customers at large. 3, the electrification vision and mandate of various e-commerce companies. And 4th, perhaps the most critical, is the significant operational cost savings on electric vehicles as compared to the diesel counterparts. These factors, coupled with the increasing regulatory and policy support from both central governments and state governments, it seems that the moment of change has arrived. At eTrio, we have created a perfect way to do the same. Let me now take you back to 2017, when the journey started for eTrio. eTrio is a company with a vision to provide EV for all by driving a three-way transformation, which is to change lives, decarbonize environment, and drive business efficiencies. Our mission is to electrify intracity logistics and become the leading EV player with a product portfolio of payload ranging from 75 kgs to 750 kgs across 2, 3 and 4-wheelers. While EV has been a buzzword in the country with significant government push and OEM forays, fundamental challenges surrounding the product and the ecosystem has remained. At eTrio, we have worked on these problems long and hard. Our approach to product design is fundamentally based on 5 pillars. Pillar 1, performance in terms of range, torque and gradability. Second is safety, the most important in terms of both at the vehicular level and the component level. For example, we are looking at battery safety in terms of water, dust, thermal, electrocution hazards. Pillar 3 is technology in terms of connectivity through advanced telematics, battery management and many such systems. The 4th is comfort and convenience for the customers in terms of automatic drive, vehicle ergonomics, suspension, etc. The 5th is reliability. We are building products to last with unmatched and best-in-class warranty. Our extensive work in the intracity logistics space has seen us gain the trust of leading e-commerce and logistics. We are super excited to be a part of this EV revolution and drive electrification of intracity logistics. Let me introduce you all to our friend Mohan here. He is a hard-working, sincere driver-owner of a light commercial vehicle and has been driving this vehicle for the last 7 years. His LCV is now in its second life. Let's suppose 5 years. And Mohan is not ready for this, as his net income is shrinking month on month, but expenses are going through the roof. The maintenance of his vehicle is increasing and the mileage is just sliding down with the increasing age of the vehicle. Also, his vehicle is now unable to run in many organized logistics contracts because of its age. His income is inconsistent and future is looking bleak. With BS6 product prices going up and diesel prices continuously spiraling upwards, Mohan's situation is getting worse. What do you think Mohan should do? Buy a new expensive BS6 diesel vehicle and become vulnerable to the increasing diesel prices? Or just continue with his old vehicle and pray for some miracle? What Mohan needs is rejuvenation. He fundamentally needs an asset which can revive his livelihood. There is good news for Mohan. He need not despair. eTrio's retrofitment is exactly what he needs. Retrofitment is the process of conversion of an existing ICE vehicle into a 100% electric vehicle. It has a two-pronged impact of decarbonizing environment and decongesting roads. It is a niche segment with a pivotal role in the EV revolution in the country. While the space is primarily viewed as an unorganized sector, there are official guidelines, namely AIS 123 Part 3, for an organized and an approved methodology of retrofitment. Why do you think retrofitment is a need of the hour? It is an essential answer to the exploding population of aging vehicles on the road. And most importantly, it is the much needed solution to the millions of commercial vehicle owners in the country to give their old polluting asset a new lease of life by converting into a green productive one. The impending scrappage law just makes retrofitment more relevant than ever for India. While the retrofitment has a huge potential in a country like India, it is paramount to do retrofitment in a safe and organized and reliable way. At eTrio, we have found a perfect way to do the same. Through our scientific retrofitment process, we will rejuvenate Mohan's vehicle by giving it a new lease of life of 5 to 7 years, revive the earning by saving almost 60% of the operational expenses, and also make Mohan's diesel guzzling LCV into a green vehicle. Let me now present to you all India's leading electric LCV, which has been tested and perfected after years of research. And today, it is India's only certified retrofitted electric truck. It's built on none other than the super robust and market leader Tata Ace. After 2 years of rigorous work, eTrio's eLCV has become the toast of the intra-city logistics space, and today is trusted and used by over 10 plus leading e-commerce and logistics companies.
Let's Transport are the largest enterprise-focused intra-city logistics player, where we work with 100 plus medium and large enterprises across fast-moving consumer goods, organized retail, e-commerce, as well as 3PL companies in terms of helping them with their first mile, mid-mile, and last-mile distribution. Given the industry that we are in, more than 40% of our 65,000 plus registered vehicles are Tata Aces that are used in last-mile distribution. And given the common vision that we share with eTrio in terms of driving innovation and sustainability into last mile distribution, at the same time addressing the comforts of drivers, we have worked closely with eTrio in terms of piloting and doing trials of the Tata Ace electric vehicle with most of the clients that we work with. And I'm very happy to say that almost all of these trials were extremely successful, and they met, if not exceeded, the expectations of the clients.
Firstly, on behalf of Bring Logistics, I would like to congratulate eTrio on the successful launch of their retrofitted eLCV today. It would be a milestone in electric vehicles as it's first of its kind and one of its kind in four-wheeler electric vehicles. The vehicle has ease of driving with automatic gear shift and thus is ideal for heavy traffic at Bangalore and at other congested cities.
Start. Hi, this is Mohan Ramaswamy. I'm a co-founder of Terrago Logistics. Terrago is an interior solution. We start off with the purpose to provide an intercity and an intercity model which is integrated along with a multimodal options and tech enabled. Terrago started off in 2017 and my co-founder is Sukhpreet Hariwal. In the intercity model, we provide a asset-light model for all our customers. But in the intracity, we took a very conscious call of providing a very sustainable product to our customers, which is electric vehicles. So we started this project around the mid of COVID, and we were supported very aptly with eTrio Logistics, who provided us with the vehicles to start this project with Big Basket during the COVID season, despite the restrictions. So I would like to say that the eTrio vehicles we have been using for last 3 months, almost for nearly 100 days now, and they have been working almost every day of the month, and we run approximately about 60 to 100 kilometers a day. They have been very satisfactory and pretty good and robust vehicles.
We are also looking forward for a stronger partnership with eTrio so that we can scale up the operations of retrofitted EVs in the last mile delivery and make this solution available to all the e-com players and to all the customers who are environment conscious and who are environmentally responsible.
Every client has a different requirement, whether it is high volume packages or heavyweight parcels. eTrio's eLCV is for all. Look at it here, beautifully gliding through the Indian roads. This ace of intracity logistics is powered with a 20 kWh lithium-ion battery running on a high voltage 96 volt system. The vehicle delivers superior performance through a certified range of 120 kilometers. Don't worry, the real range is no less impressive, with the vehicle going over 95 kilometers with a 500 kg payload. The vehicle delivers a torque of 120 Newton meter and has a gradient of 7 degrees. Meant for our crowded Indian cities, the speed of the vehicle has been capped at 55 kilometers. The product delivers unwavering comfort and convenience for the end customer, the driver. It has an automatic driving system which is finally freeing the driver or the customer from the clutches of the manual gear system. Our lightweight compact e-axle coupled with regenerative braking and high cubic feet capacity of 192 feet adds to the superior design of the existing Tata Ace. Our connected systems helps to check the health of the component and discover various patterns to improve vehicle and the component efficiency. One key distinguishing point is the ECUs in the systems being connected through a CAN-based system architecture, which allows the telematics unit to transmit the data to a remote server. Today, we have an in-house telematics app called eTrio Track, which showcases data comprising of the following aspects. Number 1 is the vehicle metrics, including SOC, odometer, speedometer. Number 2 is the characteristics or the metrics regarding different components using advanced state-of-the-health algorithms. We monitor components like cell, motor controller, and look at metrics around temperature, voltage, and current. We take immense care as far as vehicle reliability and safety is concerned. Let me first talk about the warranties, which we offer through our eLCV. Today, I'm very happy to announce that we have the best-in-class unmatched warranties. Let's talk about the batteries. The warranty is 5 years or 1.3 lakh kilometers. It is the same for the powertrain. Coming to the electronics, the warranty period is 3 years or 1 lakh kilometer, and for various other auxiliaries, it's 1 year. Coming to safety, safety is deeply embedded into the design DNA of the vehicle. We look at safety at 2 levels, the vehicular and the component, and we take care of every component, right from the cell, the battery pack, the powertrain, and similarly other components in terms of ensuring safety. As mentioned previously, the need to pursue retrofitment in a process-oriented way is immensely vital to establish a reliable product in comparison with a well-proven ICE product. At eTrio, we call it the science of retrofitment. This encompasses 3 critical aspects of design, testing, and production. Let me start with design. Our 96 voltage architecture allows for an efficient system design with lower overall losses. The primary design objective driving eTrio day in and out is efficiency and minimization of losses, whether that be at the component level or at the vehicular level. As a new EV company, we look up to companies like Tesla and get inspired by how they achieve significantly higher powertrain efficiency as compared to competition like a Nissan Leaf or Bolt EV. We deep dive into forecasting different losses, empirically, digitally, as well as based on testing conditions. The losses which we monitor range from motor core losses, the drivetrain losses via bearings, lubrication, etc., or even smaller losses such as controller switching losses. Different efficiency maps across torque versus speed characteristics are digitally and physically tested to ensure efficient performance across different real-life load conditions. We select our cells carefully, looking across the 4 different dimensions of durability, safety, specific power, and energy density. Coming to the battery packs, they undergo rigorous thermal chamber testing, vibration testing, real-life load condition simulations, and active cooling mechanisms to ensure battery health and safety under demanding Indian road conditions. Coming finally to the vehicle integration, it's done at 3 levels: mechanical, electrical, and software. Software integration is implementing using the CAN network across all the ECUs to entail multi-directional smooth communication. The testament to the robustness of a product is in its DNA to withstand. Our eLCV has undergone extensive testing at 3 levels of component, bench and vehicle. It has undergone over 16 plus tests over 1.5 lakh kilometers and has been certified by ICAT. The various tests done include flood test, EMI EMC compliance test, power test, brake test and tests like range, gradability and energy consumption. The bare-bone nature of the original vehicle, coupled with a robust design and exhaustive testing done at eTrio, has rendered this eLCV the ace of intracity logistics. eTrio's science of retrofitment finally concludes with a structured 5-step production process which breathes new life into an old workhorse. eTrio's retrofitted eLCV has evolved from its predecessor to become more tailor-made to real-world client requirements. We have driven improvement in performance by increasing the powertrain efficiency by more than 5%. We have redesigned battery pack for lower insulation losses, optimized e-axle and gear ratio, and reduced the overall vehicle weight. All these harmoniously have contributed towards vehicle range improving by more than 15% between Generation 1 and Generation 2. Today, as I stand here, we launch our Generation 2. We are simultaneously working on a Generation 3, wherein we will be transitioning to a higher efficient PMSM motor, a liquid-cooled battery pack, and of course a higher range. Having built this product with great care and rigor, we quickly realized that it's not just the product which leads to an EV adoption, but building a holistic ecosystem to enable the change at the ground level. For this, we stepped out of the skin of a typical OEM and partnered leading logistics players to implement this change. We did this through a 4-pronged approach covering comprehensive vehicle after-sales support, including support for charging, as well as 24/7 service support. I'm proud to say that we have a unique driver orientation and training program. Along with that, we have a comprehensive AMC package. Most importantly, we have a data-driven analytics support to drive operational efficiencies for our logistics players. Let me take you deep into this. Today, we perform comprehensive analysis around driving pattern and driver behavior to build first-of-its-kind driver scorecards, which help logistics player to rate, recognize and incentivize drivers. Our inbuilt safety features include GPS, geofencing, remote immobilization and driver SOS systems. These features enables a blanket of safety for each stakeholder. It also helps us understand and improve the product through remote diagnostics and proactive maintenance. Let me now answer the question on everyone's mind. How much does it cost to own eTrio's electric LCV? The price of this product, this ace of intracity logistics, is 7,75,000 on-road Delhi. Does it seem expensive? Let me tell you, it is not. If you have been tracking the EV prices as compared to the diesel counterparts, you would realize that this is way better than most other products in the market. And let me now take you to the TCO battle, the battle for the total cost of ownership, because it's not just the upfront price, but the complete price over the vehicle life cycle which matters to the owner, to the user of the product. So let's look at this TCO race. This race will have 3 stages. Stage 1 is the upfront cost, which I just revealed. Stage 2 is the operating cost of the vehicle, and stage 3 is the terminal value of the vehicle. So let's start with the upfront cost. Today at 7.75 lakhs, this price, and let me also tell you, this price includes a fully built with a full load body retrofitted eLCV. The comparative price of a diesel counterpart with a similar fully built body would be around 5.25 to 5.5 lakhs. So that's the first stage of upfront cost. Let's now get into the operating cost. This is the stage where the electric LCV significantly outpaces, overtakes the diesel counterpart. Let's look at the 2 components of this stage. One is the running cost. Running cost, as we know, today has been the biggest pain point for any diesel commercial vehicle owner. With the mileage of the vehicle going significantly down with age and the diesel prices spiraling without any end in mind continuously, it's become a cost which is burning holes through the pockets of every owner. Today, in terms of running cost, electric LCV, today what we are launching, saves 3.5 to 4 rupees a kilometer for the owner over a diesel counterpart. Let's now come to the maintenance cost, the second part of the operating cost of the vehicle. Maintenance of an electric vehicle, any electric vehicle, is significantly simpler and cheaper as compared to a diesel counterpart. This is due to the fact that the moving parts in an electric vehicle are much lesser than that in a diesel vehicle. So, we are also looking at saving of around 50% of maintenance cost in the electric vehicle as compared to the diesel vehicle. So, this is stage 2, where we see almost 60% of the cost which is spent on a diesel vehicle is saved when you own our electric LCV. So let's look at the stage 2. Conclusively, we are seeing that the electric LCV outpaces the diesel counterpart on both the maintenance cost as well as the running cost. Cumulatively across stage 1 and stage 2, definitely we can see that there is a distinct advantage of the electric LCV over the diesel counterpart. Across stage 1 and stage 2, a driver owner like Mohan would end up saving over 2 lakh rupees by owning our electric LCV. Now we come to the stage 3. This is the terminal value, residual value as we say in the market. This is where, of course, there is uncertainty in the EV ecosystem at large about what is the exact scientific way to determine the terminal value of an EV product today. Given this, at eTrio, we have significantly worked on this problem and tried to arrive at strong business models to estimate the life of different components and the vehicle at large. Today, we can assure you, and we are in the process of bringing buyback schemes to assure the end customer in terms of the residual value of the vehicle after a 5-year period. With this, I can confidently say that in the TCO battle, the eTrio's electric LCV is able to dethrone the diesel counterpart. I would now like to thank all the customers, the e-commerce players and the logistics players who have trusted us, accepted us, and all the participants who have come here to witness this unique event in the journey of eTrio and the launch of a product which is special for the intra-city logistics ecosystem. Thank you all. This is not a goodbye. We'll be back soon, and this time with an altogether different product. This is going to be our brand new electric 3-wheeler Turo. See you soon.